Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, I have a mini house and I'm trying to, so I got like this pack from Christmas and it's like a Miniverse pack, and I need some of that stuff to go in my fridge. So I'm keeping all of the Miniverses that I've like made right, wait, you guys can see it. Right in like these little areas. So but it does come with like whipped cream, extra carrots, extra limes, extra, so I'm trying to make room for that. So you know what I'm thinking? Oh, don't worry, there's more. And more. Alright, there's another fridge. Yeah, I have 2 fridges. Oh, great. Let's hope nothing broke there. Okay. Alright, so now we have the 2 fridges empty. So now we need to fill them to where they look good. So, alright, let's start filling them up. Hold on. So right now I'm putting all the drinks in like areas and like the sauces, and then I'll come back to you guys when I'm all done with that. I'm also putting the freezer stuff on the top where the freezer is. Guys, look how cute this is. So I got like mini brand Otter Pops, and what I did was I soaked Jolly Ranchers in there for a while, in water I mean, and they're so cute. I made them a while ago, but they're like still so cute. Like, so cute, right? Now I'm gonna start filling every like food except for the Miniverses. Literally like every single food I have is Miniverse. And it's getting really frustrating. And I'm trying to like, okay, we still have a whole nother side. I forgot about that, okay. Okay, so we're gonna start filling. So first we got these. These are gonna go on one of this, actually no, it's gonna go in one of these shells. And then we got these cute little mangoes, and you can open them and they have like half-cent holes of mangoes. So yeah, and then there's that one. And then we got some whipped cream. One of them doesn't have anything in it because I filled one up with all of them. The whipped cream is gonna go it doesn't like fit anywhere, so we have to put it like sideways because it doesn't fit anywhere. Okay, now we're gonna do this mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is gonna go right there. Oh yeah, perfect. Oh gosh, it's falling apart. And then we got this glaze stuff. And then we got, oh yeah, we got this avocado. I hate avocado. It's my personality. But there's the avocado. I'll flip it over so you guys can see the avocados. What's that? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh no, don't fall. No. Oh my gosh. Okay. 1 second. Sorry about that. Okay, now we have these raspberries. There's not a lot left, but there's some raspberries. And then we have some of this Jello stuff. That is gonna go down there. Okay, and now we have this salad dressing. And then, oh yeah, we got the salad. Come here. The salad in it. And then we have some carrots. Okay. The fridge is like almost full. I hate the bag stuff. What? Oh my gosh. I hate the bag stuff because like it doesn't like stand. Everything's falling apart. Okay, I'll be back. All right. Now it's better. All right. Now we have some limes. We're gonna put these right there. Oh, don't fall, please, don't fall. Okay. All right. And then we have some leftover brownies. That's where I got those raspberries at. The leftovers. Alrighty. Okay. Oh, we can't forget about bacon. How could I forget? Alright, now I'm gonna do a tour and then we're gonna do the top. So, let me open. Okay. Alright, so first I'm gonna show you this fridge, the yellow one. So we have, over here's like drinks, down here's more drinks, a couple of other things, and then the carrots had to be separate because like it wouldn't. Oh, we forgot a couple of things. Oh, not it yet. Okay, we forgot about guacamole. The guacamole does not have any spots, so it's not gonna go in the fridge. That's all we forgot. All right. Well, actually, we forgot these animal things, but those don't go in there. All right, we gotta hurry this up. All right, so right here's this fridge. So the drinks, all that, and then some of that, and then there's the ice cream stuff, and then the next fridge. It doesn't close. Oopsie. The next fridge has some popsicles, some of that frozen stuff, and then that on the side. All right, hold on 1 second. So none of them actually shut. So that's kind of a problem. But that's okay, because they've never really actually have shut. So that's okay, I guess. Okay, that's okay. Alrighty. Okay, 1 second. Alright, now we're gonna do the top. So we have a bunch of like seasonings and like chocolate chips. Those are gonna go up there. And then we have this really cute coffee machine that I got off of Temu. And it like actually like, you know. And then we're gonna put that there. And then we have this cotton candy machine that I actually made. I wish I did a video of it, but I didn't. And then some just cotton balls with the toothpicks. That's gonna go up here. And then we're gonna, these Chupa Chups. Here, I'll open them for you guys. Let me open them so it, okay, here is the Chupa Chups. They're so cute. And then I have this cotton candy machine. This gumball machine that's gonna go up there. And then I think that's it. hold on. Okay, that's fixed. Alright, so now I have these cookies, and those are just gonna go up there too. And then, okay, I think we're all done. All right, let me show you guys. So here's the final results for this fridge. Okay, this fridge. And then it has like the stuff on top. And then here's the final results for this fridge. Cute, right? All right. Now I'm just gonna kind of like do kind of like a tour of my house. Here's the bathroom, and I actually got a bath now. Can you guys even see? I don't even know. My favorite part about my house is probably my bed right there, and it has like a little up. And then here's my little oven that I made. And then it has like this cute little bowl. All right, well, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Why did I just say that? Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'll wait till it gets to 12 minutes. All right, whatever. Bye, guys.